Good morning student. Today is our maths class. Today we will learn about addition. What is addition and we will solve some of the problems. Okay. So see here in the blackboard. What is addition? Addition is the sum of two or more numbers. So what is addition? Addition is the sum of two or more numbers. So there we will see addition of numbers. At first you will see addition of two-digit numbers. Suppose that it is given 2, 4 plus 3, 5 and we have to add it. So at first we will arrange it. Tens, 1. So what is 2? Tens. What is 4? 1. What is 3? Tens. What is 5? 1. Now we will add this. So what is 5 plus 4? That is 9. And what is 3 plus 2? This is called 5. So these both are known as addends. Means these two are the numbers we are adding. And this is the result is known as sum. So what is addition? Addition is the sum of two or more numbers. This is the numbers. These are the numbers 24 and 35. And this is also known as addends. And the result is known as sum. So again we will take some of the examples of the two-digit numbers. Suppose that 3, 8 and 4, 0. Now we will arrange it. Tens, ones. 3 in the tens place, 8 is in the one place, 4 is in the tens place and 0 is in the ones place. This is O, not 0, okay? 8 plus 0, what is 0 plus 8? So we can't count 0, so 8 plus 0 is 8. And what is 3, 4 plus 4? That is 7. 4 plus 3, 7, and 8 plus 0, 8. And what is this is called? Sum. Sum means the result of both these numbers, and both these numbers are known as addends. Means these both numbers we add is known as addends, and this result is known as sum. Now we will learn about the addition of regrouping. What is regrouping? So we will see here. Suppose that this is 5 plus 6 and 4 plus 3 plus 7. Now we will add it. Tens, ones. So what is this? 5 and what is this? 6 and this is 3 and this is 7. So now we will add this both numbers. Now we will see that in the before we have seen that 2 plus 4 and 3 plus 5, that is 9. We have written simply 9. Now but it is 7 plus 6, that is 13. But we will not write there 13. We will write this 13 there and we will see it. In ones place it is 3 and in the tens place it is 1. So this tens will come is there, we will write this there, and this 3 we will write there. This 3 will come there and this 1 will go there. So now we will add this number 5 plus 3, 8 and this one 9. Simply this, in this way we will add. Suppose again next number we will see. This is tens, this is 1, this is 4, this is 5, this is 3 and this is 6. So what is 6 plus 5? That is 11. So we write there 11. This 1 will come here and this 1 will come here. The right side of the 1 will we will write there in the down. And this we will write in the up, that there. Now we will add this 1 plus 4, that is 5. Now plus 3, 8. In this way, we will get the 3-digit numbers result. 2-digit number result, that is 5 plus 6, that is 1. And we will take carry, it is 1. And 4 plus 1, 5 plus 3, that is 1. So this is known as sum. The result is known as the sum. So what we will get there? 81. Next we will learn about the 3-digit number. Addition of 3-digit number. So what is this? 2, 4, 5 plus 3, 2, 1. Simply we will write 100 tens, because this is 3-digit number, so this is not a 100, this is not a ones, tens, hundreds. So this 3-digit number we have learned in the before class. Now we learn 2, 4, 5, 3, 2, 1. Now we will add this. Simple addition is this: 5 plus 1, that is 6. 4 plus 2, that is 6. And 2 plus 3, that is 5. So it is a simple addition of 3-digit number. That is 5 plus 1, that is 6. 4 plus 2, that is 6. 2 plus 3, that is 5. That is 566 is the result. So this is what we call this sum. And what we call this both addend. Next again we will learn the addition of 3-digit with regrouping. Means with taking with the help of carrying. See here. 6, 4, 5, 3, 3, 9. Now we will add 100, 10, 1. That is 6, 4, 5, 3, 3, 9. That is plus. Now we will add this. What is this? 9 plus 5, that is 14. Again we will write there 14, but we can't write this 14 here. We will write this 14 here. Simply you will take anywhere you can write this. Then this 4 will come here, and this 1 will go in the tens place. Again we will write there once in the tens place. Again 4 plus 3 is equal to 7, and 7 plus 1, that is 8. And there is no carry. So again 6 plus 3, that is simply 9. So this is your result. That is sum. Next more one example we will take. Seven, 2, 1, 2, 9, 3. Now we will 100, 10, 1, 7, 2, 1, 2, 9, 3. Now we will add this 3 plus 1, that is 4. 9 plus 2, that is 11. So we can't write 11 here. So we will write there 11. This one will come here, and this one will go here. Again 7 plus 2, that is 9, and that is 10. So this is your result. Sum, and this both are known as addends. So your last example we will take for this addition. Five plus 1, that is 6. 8 plus 4, that is 12. And this 2, and there 1 carries 6 plus 7 and plus 2, 9. In this way we can solve the addition problem with the regrouping. So thanks for today's class.